Hey, Matt here. So this is my friend Colby's first truck. It's been sitting here for the past 10 years in the C-Can. We just cleared everything out in front of it, and today I'm gonna get it going. Okay, well, we got her outside. It was up against the wall on this side because this tire went flat and it leaned over. And as we were pulling it out, this back wheel, yeah, was not turning. Okay, so here's the engine. I thought it was the 350. I bought all the parts for 350, but this looks like a 3, definitely V6. But I think a lot of these parts are still gonna fit. Okay, here's all the parts and fluids. I've got the stuff to do the rear diff, some carb cleaner, engine oil, we've got antifreeze, air filter, fuel and oil filters, spark plugs, and plug wires. So I did buy everything for a 350 V8, and I believe this is a 4.3. So it might not all fit perfect, but I'm sure most of this will still work. So now I'm gonna pull all the spark plugs out and spray some WD-40 in there because it hasn't been running in 15 years, and I assume stuff might be a little corroded and seized up. We got some new Platinum spark plugs. Okay, I'm gonna spray some carb cleaner down the throat of this thing. Well, that oil filter is so tight that my filter wrench actually squeezed and punctured it. So I'm gonna let that drain out and I'll try again. Well, I had an opportunity to wrangle this calf. Any cute? So I got this oil filter off, but it took some damage. It was not easy. Surprisingly, I actually got those fuel fittings off pretty easily. I just got done wiping down the whole inside of the engine bay. Got it pretty shiny. 15 years. So I had this running really good at idle. After it idled for about 5 minutes to warm up, I went to rev it up and it choked out and died. So I did a quick investigation and found there's a bunch of cat food on the ground that somehow came out of the exhaust. And I have a feeling mice or squirrels or something stuffed cat food in the exhaust. So a couple broken bolts later, I have the exhaust off there. And that was definitely the problem because it runs now, but listen to this. So here's where I took the exhaust off the manifold. The cat food's clogging it right there. And, oh my god, look at that. Yeah, it's definitely full of cat food. So I finished up with Colby's truck about half an hour ago and he just got back from work. Are you ready? I've worked on it all day.
All day. Trying to get happy.
You can start it.
Back when I'm 15 again.
Uh-huh. It is a little loud. Well, Colby's happy with how it turned out. I'm gonna have to come back and weld up the exhaust, as well as a few other things. So another project on my plate. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good one. Bye.